Alright. Y'all want to go make some baseball bats?
Yeah.
Right here, look. I got green, I got pink, I got black, I got blue, I got sparkly green, I got white.
I want white.
Alright, look. You guys are gonna have too much fun. Hold on a second. I got some paints.
What's he getting? Are y'all gonna paint something?
What's that from?
That's Mr. Mike's paint.
Blue. I go. Oops. A little bit much there. Alright, now take your brushes. Man your brushes, guys.
Go get a brush.
Wait,
Zane.
give me that white right there and that green and that tube. Those two tubes, and grab some brushes.
Here. Here's a good brush. Here, use this one.
And basically, you're going to go crazy with the... Oh boy. Just kind of spread it around.
So you're going to
See
spread
what
it around like
happens.
that.
Yeah, you got different cutters and they do different things. This big one kind of like starts it off for the rough, getting a square into a round. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take a square. Where'd that square go that you were using before?
Oh, right here.
Okay. So I kind of marked off, are you videoing? I
Yeah.
kind of marked off where we got two bats. These are 23 inches long, perfect for little boys. When they get really good at baseball, we can make them some nice bats, but for right now, just to tool around with at their age, this is going to be fine. So this is the handle, of course, with the end, and then this transitions to a slight taper up to the final thickness of the bat and curves around here. Okay? So I'm going to make a mark right here.
You did it? You got to paint the whole
Do
wing.
the body, do the body, do the whole thing. You were awake before. You look like Zane.
Yeah, that's what we say.
I got you. I got you by the pinky toe. What you gonna do now? You can't escape. You can't escape me. How's your back doing, Amy?
It's still tight.
Tight?
Yeah, it's right over. Yeah, my shoulder.
This is looking good. Yeah, y'all need to get all this. Spread this right here, Zane. Look. See how you take this and you can spread it? Paint all, get rid of all the...
The goal is to make this perfectly round.
Okay.
That's all you're gonna do. That's the whole goal for right now. So let me get you started. Now you want to kind of take it slow and take it easy.
We're trying to remove this consistently all the way across.
Well, I'm
here.
just kind of tricking it.
Right.
Yeah. What the main goal is now is turning this square into a round.
Yep.
That's all we're trying to do. That's all
And
we're trying
eventually remove about, what is that, a third of
to do.
an
That was a
inch?
guess.
Half an
That's
inch?
a guess. It's
Yeah.
a guess. I was just trying to draw it out so you could. I really did this just for your benefit, really, just drawing it out like that.
I got you.
So I'm gonna start it and kind of get started.
Okay.
Keep in mind though that pine's very soft and
So-
it tends to gouge.
Yeah.
Gouging, like it'll rip a whole part out. So you got to go really kind of slow.
Remove a little bit at a time.
A little bit at a time. If you go too aggressive, it'll gouge it and rip a piece off. Not to worry too much.
Yeah.
So I'm going to turn this on and then kind of test it a little bit. You want to kind of stand back the first time you turn it on.
Okay, I got you.
Gnarly, huh?
Yeah, even that's pretty fast for the slowest setting.
This is just making sure it's on there. Okay, so that's good enough, right? Okay, so basically you can see a line right there,
Yep.
and you can see a line right here,
Yep.
and there's the center. So basically we're gonna put your finger right here, and you hold. You can either hold it like this, or you can hold it like this. Obviously you're limited to the length of. Are you right-handed or left-handed?
This is what feels natural. I'm left-handed.
Yeah, if you're left-handed, then
I've got this turned the right way.
yeah. Just go nice and easy, nice and light. Just get a feel for it. It's a feel for it.
Oh, it feels good. How do you think it's looking?
I think it's looking great. So far, so good. That's a gouge right there.
Mm-hmm.
But not to worry.
Yeah. That would have been lost anyway, though, right?
Yeah, I mean this is all going to be gone here.
Yeah. To get round. This right here, it's cutting all the wood off when it spins. This is like a knife, and it's starting to become round like a baseball bat. We just got to keep going, and we're gonna make this whole thing round and put a handle on it. You think that'll be pretty cool?
Now that's what your target's going to look like. That's what your target looks like. So obviously it has to be a nice gentle taper from here. So you got to take down all of this and really make it as round as that. I kind of lied to you. We're going to make the whole thing round. So your mission now is to make this part round like that.
Okay.
All right.
Got spins it so fast when it hits that knife, it shaves a little bit off. Watch when he touches it. That's pretty cool, huh?
Did this look like a baseball bat?
It doesn't look like a baseball bat to me.
Oh,
How's yours look? Pretty identical
Sort of.
except for that. I think the curve even. Very cool. Thank you, Mr. Mike.
Sure.
Very cool.